close. Okay, listen. I'm talking. Look, you guys have been singing and having a good time all day long. If you've lost your voice, raise your hand. It's like I don't have anything left. It's gone. Okay. Here's what I propose. There's a lot of evening left. I propose we all have our voices, our hands up after we try this one more time. Everybody's hands up. That way, when casting comes out, we got that nice, scratchy Mark Hall voice. That's what we're trying to get to. You know, you got nice gravel in your throat. But we gotta get tuned up for Mark. All right, one more try. Everything you got. A joyful noise we will make. 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 This is the good one. I can't wait. Here's what we do first. Here's what we can do first. I want you to turn around and introduce yourself to the people you're around. There's a lot of evening left, and you just need to say hi to the people that are. Just say, hello, I'm so-and-so. What a beautiful night to be together. I'm so glad you're here. Now, while you have their attention, say this. I'm so sorry for what's about to happen. I apologize from the bottom of my heart for what's about to go on. Deeply regretful. Deeply regretful. Absolutely. Okay, now here's the deal. We're all one big happy family at Ichthus Festival. So we're gonna feel the love in this place. I want you to put your arm around the person next to you. I want you to put your arm around the person. That's it. We gotta get our dancing shoes on here for a little bit. One big happy family just bouncing together, feeling the love. That's it. Oh yeah. Gonna express ourselves a little bit.